Happy video day, guys. Today's video is super exciting because we are going to be doing another makeup subscription box unboxing. And the reason I'm super excited about this one is because I actually have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Ipsy bag for October 2020. So this is really cool. I'm gonna be able to compare both of these different subscriptions for you guys and show you guys everything that comes inside of this. So I am now part of the Ipsy influencer program. I'm actually gonna be getting these boxes to show you guys from Ipsy. So that's really, really awesome. Also, they're part of the Ipsy Open Studios. I guess it's getting relaunched again. A long time ago, they used to have this, and now it's I guess maybe they're trying to recreate it, which I really hope they do, because when I first started in this whole YouTube universe, I remember people talking about Ipsy Open Studios, but it was kind of disappearing. And now it's I feel like they're trying to rebrand it. So I'm actually really excited. I think that this is going to be really, really fun. I'm super happy to be part of that program, and I'm excited to be able to show you guys what's inside of these boxes. I love a good subscription box. So yeah, we're gonna get into every single thing inside of this box, but before we do, are you new? I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button before we keep on going so you could see me again. I like to talk about makeup and I sprinkle in some fashion as well. So let's go ahead and let's jump into this unboxing. Okay, so before I go ahead and show you guys what I have, I just want to pre-warn you guys. When they sent me this box is just full of stuff, and it's kind of attacking my mic. They kind of sent me this box like this. It's kind of full of stuff. I'm going to show you guys the way I received it. But everything is kind of just put in here in certain ways. But it's not like they separated this too perfectly, I don't think. So I'm going to show you guys how they sent it to me. My friend here on YouTube, Leah Janae, if you guys don't know who she is, I'm going to go ahead and link her channel. She said in her video, because I did watch her video already, that maybe they kind of misplaced some of these items, because the item that's coming inside of our Ipsy Glam Bag is not an item that it looks like it is available for you guys. So I have a feeling there may be a little bit of a mix-up on the way they package this, and I personally believe it's just because one of the items that they packaged in here could break very easily, and maybe they just tried to put it somewhere so it wouldn't break. However, it's a little confusing. So it is a little bit more difficult for me to kind of show you guys on this one exactly what you guys are going to get. I'm going to show you the way that I received it, and then I'll show you what Leah said would probably be what you're going to get. Okay, so I'm going to show you both. So first thing I want to show you guys is the cute little extras that they sent me. So this is just for being an influencer and part of their Ipsy Open Studios program. They sent me this cute little candle that actually smells like a man's cologne, but in a good way, in a really good way, a man that smells really good. I really like this perfume, so I can't wait to burn this, and it's really cute. It says "Your Magic," and it does say "Your Magic" on it. It's so cute. Oh my god, I wish that they would sell these for you guys to buy them optional, because, or maybe they do, I don't know, because it just smells really good. So I'm definitely going to decorate my little office with this because I love the smell and it's really adorable. And the other thing that they sent over was a little face mask, and the face mask does say Ipsy on it as well, so that's actually really adorable. Two little influencer things that they sent to us that I think was very cute. But first thing I'm going to do is show you the Glam Bag. So this is the $12 bag, and this is the way it was packaged for me inside of the box. So it looks just like this. It's really, really cute. This bag for $12 is adorable. It's so cute. It's a faux leather, but it feels like it's good quality. It even has this really, really cute little moon and star. I don't know, it's just, this bag to me was worth the 12 bucks, just the bag. It's just adorable. I could buy this bag somewhere for $12, for sure. So this is adorable. But then inside, there is some super awesome products in this one. Honestly, this was a very good glam bag. And I've never had the Ipsy Glam Bag subscription. I did have the Glam Bag Plus at one time, was it 2 years ago? So the first thing that we got was this, and this is very exciting for me. So this is from BRIOGEO, and it's the Farewell Frizz. So it's a leave-in conditioner spray. Now, if you're like me, if you have highlights or if you have hair that is colored, you guys know, and you probably will feel me on this, your hair after you take a shower, even if you put conditioner in it, it's still hard to like comb through. My hair has gotten so dry. It's probably because I haven't gone to the salon in like forever. So this is awesome. I actually use my daughter's leave-in conditioner, you know, like the ones that you spray in toddlers' hair, like so they could detangle it. I use hers because I need to spray something in my hair and it works fine. But this is going straight into my bathroom and I'm going to use this. So I'm very excited. I love BRIOGEO, and yeah. I don't have a card like to tell you guys how much these things cost. I wish they would have included that. That would have been very helpful because that would have also told me which one of these items belonged in which bag, you know? But I don't have that. So the next thing that I got in here is this mascara from Bobbi Brown. I did use this yesterday and I like it. I really do. I used it for a quick little tutorial that I'm going to be showing you guys with one of the items that's in here, and this was really good. So this looks like a deluxe size sample, and honestly guys, mascara is like one of those things that you can't buy like 5 mascaras, because mascaras really, you're only supposed to have them for like 3 months. I know, crazy. So if you have like 6 mascaras and they're full size, you're not going to really go through them in 3 months. So really to have like these type of like deluxe size samples is a good way for you kind of like to see if you like a mascara, and then the next time you need to buy one, you can invest in it. So I'm cool with a deluxe size mascara. Now, the next one. This is also a really cool product. So this one I'm also excited for too. This is the Smashbox primer. So this is the photo finish primer. This is like the primer of primers. Like I feel like everybody on YouTube raves about this. Like, oh, the Smashbox primer. Like I've heard of it so much and I've actually never owned it. I think I might have used it in the past, maybe through a sample, but I can't tell you that I remember. So I'm definitely going to be giving this a go. So I'm excited to try that one too. So far 3 awesome products. Now here's where it gets a little confusing, because in my bag I got this. Now this is incredible. Incredible to get inside of a $12 bag, which is why I think that maybe some people are right when they're saying they might have mixed this up. I got the Sunday Riley High Dose Retinol Serum. A retinol serum that's worth like $80 something or something, and this is super nice. Like Sunday Riley is one of those brands that you hear about all the time. You know, it's a more high-end brand. It's sold at Sephora. This is a nice glass bottle. It came inside of this, so I'm thinking that there's a chance that they put it inside of here so that the chances of it breaking were not very high. However, since we don't have like a pamphlet to tell us what goes where, it just, I don't know. I don't know what happened here. So that is all that came inside of this bag. So technically that would be what came in my Glam Bag. So I'm going to show you now what I got in my Glam Bag Plus, and towards the end I'm going to show you what Leah said in her video you're probably going to be getting, because I feel like she's probably right. I really do. So let's jump into the Glam Bag. So the Glam Bag came inside this really cute little drawstring bag. So this is adorable too. And at first when I opened it and I saw that it was a drawstring, I was like, oh, how weird that they're giving drawstrings instead of actual pouches. But in reality, I'm okay with that. You know, at first I was kind of like, huh. But then I started thinking about it, and I'm kind of okay with that because this is going to be very handy. You could put scarves, you could put like your long jewelry, like, you know, like the exaggerated necklaces. There's a lot of stuff that you can put in here, and also like if you're traveling, you could put your underwear in here. So this is actually really cute. So I actually like it. It says Your Magic on it as well. It has the same exact design as the other one. So I think it's adorable. And inside of that, it's supposed to be filled with these products, and the products that I got are, the first one here is from CIATÉ London, and this is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. CIATÉ has really good products. I actually have never tried this. I do think I got this in another subscription box, and I did give it away in a giveaway. But like I always say, like if there's something that I don't feel like I'm gonna have time to get to, I've got a huge thing of giveaway stuff, and I do a lot of giveaways for you guys on the channel just because like there's one face here, you know? Lots of makeup, one face. So if I can't get to something, I do give it away because makeup goes bad and I don't want it sitting there. This is a full size, so that's great. So then the next thing that we got is this. So this is from, I don't know how to say this, Laboratoires Filorga. That is probably completely butchered, and I'm so sorry. But this is the Oxygen Glow Eyes. So this looks like a kind of eye serum, I'm gonna guess. It's like an eye, something for your eyes. So it's probably to depuff or something. Reduce the visible signs of skin aging. So this is probably a full size as well. Like I said, I don't know the prices of these. So then the next thing that we got inside of here, and this one was very exciting. However, I do own this already, so for sure this is going to be given away to one of you guys, but this is exciting. So this is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. I love this palette. Like, I literally adore it. Like, I really, really do. If you guys want to see me using this, I'm going to go ahead and put on my Instagram at Christina Brooke Beauty. I'm gonna go ahead and put a tutorial using this so you guys can get an idea, but this is the most beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm gonna open it really quick just to show you guys what it looks like. So it does look, so this is what it looks like, and oh my goodness, this is such a handy, such a gorgeous palette. And you know what, let me grab mine. This guy is nice and used, as you could tell. There we go. That is a used palette. I really love this one. So I'm just going to show you guys a few of these mattes. Look how gorgeous these matte colors are. This gives you a really nice, like, mauve, very plum looking lid, which is my thing. I love a good plum lid. To me, it's the way to go when I use purples. I just think plum is so flattering. It's such a gorgeous tone. And I don't know, it just looks really, really pretty. And I feel like Huda did an amazing job curating this palette to have very gorgeous, very wearable, very easy to use colors that still give you a little bit of excitement, but you know, you don't feel overwhelmed with it. So this is a gorgeous, amazing palette. I love it. It's actually one of my favorite go-to mauve eye palettes. So that was a huge win to be in this box. And I believe it's like $29 for this. So that's really, really awesome. So then what I got in here as well are a lot of brushes. So here's where I get a little bit confused. So I got this brush set as well inside of here. So these are a bunch of different brushes. Brush. We also have, oh, it says it right here. It's a contour blend brush. So I'll kind of like pull it out to show you. So this one right here is like a blending contouring brush. We have a kabuki brush. This one here says that it is a tapered face brush. I would probably use this for powder. It's kind of big. And then this is probably a contour, right? Actually, it says it's a kabuki as well. So it's probably a contour. So I think these look like they're very good quality. Really nice little brushes here. I love the grip of the handle. It's like rubbery, so you could hold it really good. So here's where it gets confusing. And here's where I think a little bit of the mix up might have happened. Like some of these products probably are in the other bag. Another thing that's inside of here is this gorgeous Illuminati palette. I think that this is so pretty. This is super, super fall in my opinion. I love those little glittery shades. They look so gorgeous, and this is like perfect. Actually, it matches me perfectly, but this is a gorgeous little palette. So that is adorable, but I just don't see there being two eyeshadow palettes inside of the Glam Bag Plus, so that's why I think that this is probably not supposed to have been in here. And then the other thing that we got is one more brush, and this is from a completely different brand than the other ones, and it looks just like this. FIRMA Beauty. So a FIRMA Beauty brush, and I don't know what it's for. It's probably, this looks like a blush brush. So that is what I got inside of the Glam Bag Plus. But I feel like the mix-up that happened here is from what Leah said, and I completely agree with her, because I was thinking that that probably could have happened too, because when I first opened this box, I didn't really understand why there was two eyeshadow palettes in the Glam Bag Plus, and also why would there be 4 brushes and like an extra miscellaneous brush thrown. So what I think happened, and what I think you guys are probably going to end up getting, is most likely what this is this Sunday Riley face serum that was inside of the $12 bag. This is probably supposed to be part of the Glam Bag. So I think how it is you're getting in the Glam Bag, so you're inside of the more expensive bag, you're getting the Sunday Riley, you're getting the eye cream, you're getting the CIATÉ powder, you're getting the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and you're getting the 4-piece brush set. So these are the items I think are coming in the Glam Bag Plus. So I think that's probably right. This makes a little bit more sense to me. And then inside of the Glam Bag, $12 one, I think you're getting the small eyeshadow palette, the BRIOGEO spray, the Smashbox primer, then you're probably getting the Bobbi Brown mascara, and this extra brush, because I just don't know why this brush would be in there. These are the items I think are coming in the Glam Bag. So I wanted to include that little part right there because even though it's not the way I got it sent to me, I have a feeling that that's probably the way it should have been set up. And this is the first time I think Ipsy is starting to do this. So, you know, this is probably just an error with the way that they package this stuff, and maybe in the future they'll give us cards and we can actually separate them and show you guys the right products. But overall, whether you got the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus, these are some of the items that you could probably be getting inside of either one of those boxes. And I do have to say, overall, everything was very cute, and I feel like everything was actually really nice. I like 90% of the stuff that I pulled out, whether it be from the $12 bag or the more expensive bag. So I think this was pretty successful. What do you guys think? Did you guys think it was successful? I do. So leave me your comments down below if you guys are interested in Ipsy. I'm going to link information about the Ipsy subscription down below, as well as where you can sign up for it. So since this is the first time I've ever unbagged an Ipsy, or I've ever actually gotten a PR package from Ipsy, I want to know from you guys, what do you guys want to see in my future unbaggings or unboxings? Do you want them together? Do you want them separated? Let me know. What do you guys want to know? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and sound off down below. I'll talk to you guys later.